Hello guys, this is iOSProHacker. In today's video, I will show you how to regain access to your own iPhone if you forgot the screen passcode, or if your iPhone is stuck on the iPhone Unavailable, Security Lockout, or iPhone is disabled screen. This usually happens when the wrong passcode is entered too many times. After multiple wrong attempts, the iPhone protects the device and stops normal access. So if your iPhone is showing this screen and you cannot enter the correct passcode, I will show you a simple step-by-step method. Before we start, please listen carefully. Resetting a forgotten iPhone screen passcode will erase the device. This means photos, videos, apps, messages, contacts, and other data stored on the iPhone may be removed during the process. If you already have an iCloud backup, a Mac or PC backup, or another iPhone backup, you may be able to restore your data later during setup. Now let's start. To fix this type of screen passcode problem, we need a computer and a USB cable. Now let's move to the computer. Open your browser and go to the official PassFab iPhone Unlock website. You will also find the download link in the video description. PassFab iPhone Unlock is available for Windows and Mac, and it is designed for different iPhone lock and recovery situations. Now download PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer. After the download is complete, open the setup file and install the software. Once the installation is complete, open PassFab iPhone Unlock. Here you can see the software interface. Now choose the option related to iOS screen passcode recovery. This option is useful when your own iPhone is unavailable, disabled, or locked because you forgot the screen passcode. Now connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. In many cases, when the iPhone is unavailable or disabled, the software may ask you to put the iPhone into recovery mode. Recovery mode helps the computer detect the iPhone and start the reset process. Now let me show you how to put the iPhone into recovery mode. iPhone 17 and newer models. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even if you see the Apple logo. Do not release the button until you see the recovery mode screen with the computer and cable icon. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, PassFab iPhone Unlock should detect the device. The software will ask you to download the firmware package. Click the download button. The firmware file can be large, so you need a stable internet connection. If your internet speed is slow, this step can take some time. During the firmware download, keep the iPhone connected to the computer. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Once the firmware download is complete, the software will verify or prepare the firmware package. Before continuing, remember again, this process will erase the iPhone. During this process, your iPhone may restart several times. You may see the Apple logo, a loading bar, recovery mode screen, or other progress screens. This is normal. Do not disconnect the iPhone. Do not close the software. Do not use the computer for heavy tasks while the process is running. Just wait until the process is complete. Once the process is finished, you should see the hello screen. That means the screen passcode has been reset and now you can set up your iPhone again. Now select your language, select your country or region, connect to Wi-Fi. Continue the setup steps. When you reach the Transfer Apps and Data screen, you will see different options to bring your data back. If you have an iCloud backup, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. If you have a backup on a Mac or PC, choose the option to restore from a computer backup. And if you do not have any backup, you can choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data and set up the iPhone as new. So this is how you can reset an iPhone screen passcode if you forgot the password, or if your own iPhone is stuck on the iPhone Unavailable, Security Lockout, or iPhone Disabled screen. Now let me explain one very important thing. Screen passcode lock and activation lock are different. The screen passcode is the password you use to open your iPhone. Activation lock is connected to the Apple account that was previously used on the device. So, if your iPhone asks for the Apple account and password during setup, you must use the account that was already linked to that iPhone. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOSProHacker, and press the bell icon for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.